Augmented reality headsets. Built directly into standard-issue helmets, these visors overlay digital information onto the physical world a soldier sees. They display critical data like navigation waypoints, enemy positions, and crosshairs directly from the soldier's weapon, allowing them to aim accurately without exposing themselves. The technology traces its roots back to the heads-up displays used in fighter jets, but shrinking it down for infantry use has taken decades of refinement. It creates a shared, networked battlefield where every individual is constantly updated with real-time intelligence. Unmanned ground vehicles. Ranging from small, tracked robots to truck-sized machines, these robotic systems operate alongside human troops on land. Some are designed specifically for hazardous tasks like bomb disposal, carefully manipulating explosives with mechanical arms while operators watch from a safe distance. Others act as automated pack mules, following squads autonomously to carry supplies, medical gear, and ammunition. By taking over the most dangerous or physically demanding jobs, these vehicles keep soldiers out of harm's way while maintaining the momentum of an operation. Hypersonic missiles. Traveling at more than 5 times the speed of sound, these weapons are engineered to bypass modern air defense systems. Unlike traditional ballistic missiles that follow a predictable arching trajectory into space, hypersonics can maneuver unpredictably within the Earth's atmosphere. This combination of extreme speed and agility makes them incredibly difficult to track and intercept. They represent a major shift in global strike capabilities, allowing militaries to hit time-critical targets anywhere in the world in a matter of minutes. Active denial systems. This non-lethal technology relies on millimeter-wave electromagnetic energy to safely deter adversaries. When the invisible beam makes contact with a person, it penetrates just the top layer of skin, rapidly heating water molecules and creating an intense, intolerable burning sensation. As soon as the target steps out of the beam, the pain stops immediately with no lasting physical damage. Originally developed for crowd control and perimeter defense, it offers a way to de-escalate hostile situations without resorting to firearms. Smart bullets. These guided projectiles have the ability to alter their flight path after being fired from a standard weapon. They contain tiny optical sensors and miniature fins that continuously adjust the bullet's trajectory to hit moving targets or compensate for wind and distance. The concept borrows heavily from guided missile technology but scales it down to fit inside a standard caliber casing. This ensures high accuracy even for less experienced shooters, drastically reducing the number of rounds needed to neutralize a threat at extreme ranges. Exoskeletons. These wearable machines are designed to enhance the physical capabilities of soldiers on the ground. By transferring the weight of heavy backpacks and armor directly to the ground, they reduce fatigue and prevent injuries during long marches. Early versions were bulky and tethered to power sources, but modern iterations use lightweight materials and efficient batteries to allow for fluid movement. They essentially turn a regular infantryman into someone who can carry heavy gear as easily as a standard rifle, fundamentally changing logistics and squad capabilities in rugged terrain. Directed energy weapons. Instead of firing solid projectiles, these systems use highly focused energy, such as lasers or microwaves, to damage targets. They have transitioned from science fiction into reality primarily as defensive tools against incoming threats like mortar rounds or small drones. Because they run on electricity rather than finite ammunition, a ship or vehicle equipped with one can fire continuously as long as the power holds out. This makes them incredibly cost-effective per shot, compared to traditional interceptor missiles, providing a modern solution to asymmetric warfare. Microdrones. Small enough to fit in the palm of a hand, these tiny unmanned aerial vehicles are used for close-range reconnaissance. Soldiers can deploy them quickly to look around corners, over walls, or inside buildings before a squad moves in. Originating from advancements in smartphone technology and miniaturized cameras, they operate almost silently and are incredibly difficult for the enemy to spot. Having an eye in the sky at the platoon level gives troops a massive tactical advantage by removing the element of surprise in urban combat environments.